Big changes. Beautiful weather the last couple of days. Today, no exception. Tomorrow should be nice too, but we've got some big changes to talk about. And changes to the hurricane name list. Harvey, Irma, Maria, Nate, all retired today by the World Meteorological Organization. We knew what kind of damage those storms did throughout the U.S. and the Caribbean. Those names will be replaced by Harold, Idalia, Margot, and Nigel in the 2023 hurricane season. All told, $200 billion in damage by those four storms alone in a very historic 2017 hurricane season. Hopefully we don't have to repeat that this year, but there is a forecast out there for a above normal season. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Speaking of bridges, over the Coosa River there in Gadsden, gorgeous weather once again, 79 degrees, close to 80 basically everywhere you look today. Dew points were way down there in the 40s. That's why it felt so nice outside. Southwesterly winds did bring in those milder temperatures, and as those southwesterly and southerly winds continue overnight and into tomorrow, that means more humidity into the air. That modifies our atmosphere, setting the stage for our stormy weekend ahead. 70s and 80s abound for us this afternoon. There you see the winds southerly all afternoon long, 18 miles per hour. Birmingham had a gust around 25 miles per hour just a little bit ago. So plenty of southerly winds. That will modify the atmosphere. More clouds expected for the next couple of days, and then we see our severe weather chances ramp up for Saturday, mainly Saturday late morning into the afternoon and evening time hours. This is an enhanced risk from the Storm Prediction Center. So we've got a weather alert in place. The timing, late morning into the evening time hours. This might be a long duration event with a couple of different lines. Damaging wind will be the main threat, but an isolated tornado is not going to be ruled out. And also, we have to look at the rainfall potential. Another line moves in after the initial line moves out. That rainfall could produce anywhere from 2 to 3 to possibly 4 inches of rain by the time we get to early Sunday morning. Let's talk about the future cast. We see the clouds move in for tomorrow, highs back in the lower 80s tomorrow afternoon, then showers around for Saturday. Watch the line approach late in the morning. We could see a couple of pop-up thunderstorms by noontime on Saturday. Then the line approaches and moves through central Alabama. By 2 to 3 o'clock, it's in our western counties, moving across the state, and it's going to move pretty rapidly. By 5 to 6, we're near the I-2059 corridor, and then moves out. But another line behind that could produce that heavy rainfall that we were talking about. This is another one of our model looks. There is a lot of rain potential for us for Saturday and into early on Sunday. We could be talking about anywhere from 4 to maybe 5 inches of rain in some spots, and that will lead to a flash flooding threat that we'll have to monitor very, very closely. Sunny and warm with a little southerly breeze tomorrow, 82 for an afternoon high. Weather alert in effect for Saturday for the potential of those strong storms. Damaging winds the main threat. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. After the storms move out, cooler weather and drier weather moves in for the end of the weekend and next week.